Okay, Canada Post decided to send me a gift today. We'll unbox this and have a look at what it is. Okay, I think we'll get rid of some of this pesky cardboard. Okay, right on the top, we have a chart for our stepper motors. That's nice though. Foam. More foam. Okay. And a lot of good packing material. Okay, acrylic panels. Wow, lots of acrylic panels. Clear, clear. I'm not sure which these are. We had planned on using panels on this anyway. Let's see here. Oh, there's a lot of panels in this one. Okay, that's all the panels. Those out of my way. And more packing material. Here's our bed carriage unit. And what's in here? Oh, I would say it has something to do with the bed. Seeing as we do have, now you know what it is, it's a switch wire. Right, so this must be the bed itself. Now this is a Formbot kit, so, oh yeah, there she is. Okay, it's got magnets that way. Interesting. All right. Put that back on there. Oh. Huh. Oh, that must be a stop then. All right. Okay, put that aside. Actually, I'm going to put that aside behind me. And what's our next layer here? Looks like electronics. Yes, it is. Okay, where do we start? First off, what do we have for a Raspberry Pi? It looks like it's a 3B. Yeah, Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. Which is more than enough to power this unit. I'm pretty sure there's guys out there who are using Pi Ws and even some Pi W2s, I think. Alright, so put that up here. Tell that's been in stock for a while now. What control board goes with this one? The Mini E3. Wow. Okay. I haven't seen one of these before. SKR Mini E3. Interesting. So where do you... Oh, it's got its own built-in chips. Okay, I see. I see. All right. Okay. So that's that. Okay. What are these? XY MOSFETs. So I'm not sure what those are either. I haven't looked to the instructions all the way. There's some end stops. Good kind. Now, belt. This is GT2. Is it a Gates belt? I would say no, it is not. That can't be enough belt for this thing. This would be for the Y. Oh no, no, it is a Gates belt. I stand corrected. Okay, I'll put that back. And looks like I've got two here that are the XZs right here. And they're Gates as well. Okay. A couple of USB-C adapters. That's for plugging stuff in. And here's our heater. Good size. And oh, we got some LEDs. Well, that's nice. Cool. Some 20-tooth pulleys. Okay. This is our Dragon hot end. What do we have here? Oh, feet. Those are different. All right. I thought we were using square ones, but I guess they came with that. Here's some cable chain. And we have some more here. And this is the good kind. This is the kind that opens up. Okay. Nice. We got some foam tape. And I would imagine that's probably magnetic in here. Connectors. And oh, we got a resistor or a diode. It's a diode. Okay, we got a diode. I imagine that's important. Here is our thermistor. Oh, our network Keystone. Now I already have one of these. I am going to look and see if I can put the clicky probe on this somehow. I'm very familiar with the clicky now from the Trident, and I'd like to stick with that. Lots of cable ties. And connections. Lots of them. Okay, I also have kits if I need it, so I'm not going to be out on those. More connectors. You got a fan. Okay, 24 volt. And another fan here. I know you guys like to know what fans they're running, so there you go. Magnets. Good to have. Now, this should be, wow, that's a lot of wire. Definitely not pre-done wiring harness, I would take it. Looks like I'm going to have to do a lot of crimping. Here's all the hardware. Include a wrench. Include a Allen key. That's a lot of hardware. Alright. Power cord. US, Canada. Oh, stepper motor, pancake style for the extruder. And then 3. That one. And okay, so this one was, that's what motor that one is. And these ones are an unbranded Chinese version, I would say. No biggie. I would imagine they'll work. Alright. Next layer. What do we got? Okay. Let's start with, I guess, our power units. What is this? This is Well, so it says anyway. It's at 230. I better clip that over right away while I remember. To 115. That's one mean well. And this should be another mean well. 5 volt. Yes, it is. It's a mean well. 5 volt. So that'll be for running the Raspberry Pi. Now, what's in this one? Probably the, oh, yes. It's the LCD panel. Or the control panel, anyway. I don't know if I'm going to put mine on. My Trident doesn't have it on. I'm running it headless, but I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on just to simplify things a little bit, considering that I'm going to be putting the Enraged Rabbit Carrot Feeder on this unit. Okay, here's our units that we're going to need for the afterburner. Okay. Running out of space here. I'm gonna have to start putting something down here. Okay, here's some bearings. Power plug, standard cheap Chinese one. Hey, we have 1, 2, 3. And 4. Oh, we'll find out what they're like when I put it together. Okay, here is all our aluminum. Our 30-30. Okay. And 2 20-20s. Okay. Move that out of the way. What do we got down here? Anything? Oh, that's the bottom of the box. So there, that's that takes us to the bottom. Nothing else. There. Unit. All the parts and pieces ready to go together. Okay, I'll be putting this together, and then once I get it together, I want to get the Enraged Rabbit on here and see how that works out, if I can dial it in. The nice thing will be using it with the Dragon standard flow, because I've tried it with the standard V6 clone, and I just can't get it to work right. I can't get it to pull out the tip properly. so it works consistently. I'm always paused with that unit. So we'll use it with this, and that should actually be a big improvement. All right, thanks for tuning in.